cut off old stuff that shouldn't be on there. And I'm about to see if I can grind off some more weld that should be done. But
I like to call the boom tube.
shut up, Trevor. Unless you're stupid and decide to go with the side.
How do you think it's gonna sound, Trevor?
Metal in there. Yeah, it's got the metal. Nice. That's sharp.
I would assume so.
I'd hope so. I'm the one that cut it. Okay, so it's kind of connected all here. I hate this thing sometimes. We'll see. Okay.
Yes. All of the metal crunching sounds. Alright, since Trevor's not here, I guess I have to give the overview of what's going on.
Alright, so I'll do it since I'm
You want to do it?
relatively new to the group, even though I've been around since the beginning. Alright, so today we're working on a 2017 Subaru WRX Limited. Pretty much factory. The only thing it has is intake. Taking it from a side dump exhaust to a single exit 3-inch straight with cat. High flow, but still a cat. So I've cut off the old stuff that shouldn't be on there. And I'm about to see if I can grind off some more of the weld that I shouldn't have done. But we're going to see if we can do that, and then we're going to see if we can get this thing ready to go for tonight, get the spark plugs done, maybe wash it, maybe.
We might have time for a wash.
Maybe.
I mean, it's
dirty.
a little dirty.
Yeah.
Just a little bit.
As a daily, I'd expect nothing less. But yeah, all that we're doing is I got to get that cap plate off. So I'm going to go grind. I've already done the blood sacrifice, so we're good.
Here we have the exhaust system that's going on it now. So that is the cat there, obviously, if you know anything about cars. Duh. But there's the cat, and then it's going to a single exit with what I like to call the boom tube. I love the boom tube. So this will be a nice system, and it goes out the passenger side, or sorry, the driver's side, not the passenger side, so it'll come out that end. It sucks because this car used to shoot flames.
It is,
Clearly these welds are better than you thought.
like 10 times better than I thought. Holy crap. Now you're just pissing me off.
I feel like we have a few too many clips on this channel of us grinding it.
Ow! Ouch, that license plate is sharp. Apparently license plates are sharp.
from inside part of the fucking downpipe.
Oh. Is it coming off?
That didn't work. Okay, one of two things is going to happen now, guys. Either I'm going to hurt myself badly by smacking it on something that's metal here, or it's actually going to come off.
My money's on the blood sacrifice.
Shut up, Trevor. No one asked.
There we go. She's coming out now. Because look at that.
Uh-huh.
Uh-huh. That's right. Look.
I'm almost prime screwdriver time, Jeremy.
Oh, it's coming off.
Yeah!
Let's go.
That's the old one?
Yep.
That was still on?
Yeah? Okay, go. Hey Trevor, can you hand me that stud?
Stud? Oh.
This is gonna be fun. Now I need a light.
The ones you left on your bike, I'm assuming.
Please. Okay, usually guys, when you do this, you want to replace the gaskets, any seals for
We
your...
also usually won't be cutting off the previous downpipe. I said usually.
Unless you're stupid and decide to go at the side.
God, why is your subframe so far away?
Because.
Race car things.
Do you? It's like my car. The workspace is just immaculate.
That's one way to jack it.
Dude, this makes the leverage so much easier. I'm just saying.
Oh yeah.
Wait, if you're gonna do, wait, if you're gonna do that, would you do me a favor and
Oh yeah, it's like this, right?
no.
Oh, okay.
This is a problem with old hangers. If you don't use them, they end up drying out.
Do you have any silicone lube?
It's in.
Can you? Someone find me a 14. There's a ratchet up there with a 14 on it. Oh, what the f?
What?
Oh, I knocked over my dude. I was like, why am I getting wet?
Oh, you did?
Yeah.
Oh,
It's okay, I got more.
Which box? Daryl,
What?
which box?
What do you mean?
It's on the floor in front of the car, I think.
Yeah. Ow.
You good?
Yeah. Just a finger or two. All right. That was a pain.
They're coming for you, Trevor.
That's good. That'll fucking work. Where's... Holy crap. That got cold. Oh crap, I need a 15.
Down.
There should be one over there, Trevor. Other side of the transfer case. In the rolly thing. Should be a long and a short one, maybe. Oh, crap. Dang it. I'll be back, I guess.
Are you soaked in
Yeah.
Mountain Dew?
Been soaked in many oils and not Mountain Dew, though.
Found it.
Bro, in fact, he did the do.
You know, this Mountain Dew kind of smells funny with all this oil and shit. The concrete, too.
Beverage.
Oh, there we go. That'll come down a little bit when I get the rest of it hooked up.
Isn't this the greatest filming angle ever?
Oh. A weird window.
It's like a submarine.
I'm going the right way, I guess.
Everything up front is tightened down. We're just double checking. Well, I haven't done jack, but Daryl's double checking the rear to make sure that those are all tightened down, and then we can drop the rear end and get the first start up with the new exhaust on it. Well, how do you think it's gonna sound, Trevor?
Ready?
Yep.
Still pretty loud.
Okay.
Still pretty loud.
Is it?
It's very loud.
Sir, that muffler is baby, and there is no resonator, just that small cat up front.
Yeah. Should be pretty good, though.
All right. That's probably about it for this vlog. We'll be back for another one in a couple hours. Yeah. So